This is a video just to show you on how to capture your screen. Taking a couple of photos, what it looks like, because while you're recording a screen, it doesn't actually allow you to show it. So here we have the Windows Mac El Capitan. It's one of the latest versions of the Mac OS system. And to capture your screen, it might be to show how to play a game or how to open a document or whatever it might be. But we were running into this and we thought we'd share the information with you. So first off, you go to your Spotlight search, which will be the magnifying glass in the top right hand corner, and look for QuickTime Player. Once you've opened up QuickTime Player, it'll pop up. Click File, and you'll see New Screen Recording. Now it's grayed out because we're currently recording it, but it will look like this. New Screen Recording. Once you've clicked on it, then it'll pop up with a small little screen recording box. By default, it may have the microphone set to none, so click this drop-down box, select the built-in microphone or whatever microphone you're using. Also, you can choose to show the mouse clicks in the recording. It'll start, if it's working, your microphone's working, you'll see the bar popping up and down. And then click record, and you'll get a screen that starts that looks like this, and we'll have this item right in the middle of it saying click here to end, or click here for this full screen, or drag and part of the screen to capture a specific section, which if you click and hold, it will give you an option to just cordon off an area that you're recording. Once you finish recording, to end it, click the stop button, which as you can see in this screen is currently highlighted and in black. And when you're ready to click stop, it'll automatically stop it. It'll come up as a preview, and then don't forget to save it. And there you go. You've got a screen recording capture of what you've done, probably giving you a tutorial on for everyone else. Hope you liked it. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, whatever else, and we'll hopefully give you some more videos and little things that we're trying to do and help the others. Yeah, thanks. Bye.